Glute sets are another good exercise to restore function of the glute muscles in the hip after a surgery or an injury. These muscles are a large muscle group that help propel us with walking up and down stairs or getting up from a chair. So again, kicking these back on, early phase rehab is very important. So to perform this exercise, we're going to have our legs extended. And what we're going to do is clench our butt together. It's otherwise called a butt squeeze. And that's going to engage these glute muscles. And with our other isometric holds, we're going to hold this for a count of 3 to 5 second holds, really focusing on getting these glutes engaged and contracting in a forceful way that doesn't increase pain, feels comfortable. But if you can tolerate it, try to increase the force of that contraction as we squeeze so that we really get to restore some of that control of the muscle group, some of the power and endurance, which is going to help translate to functional mobility. So squeeze the butt together, clench the butt cheeks, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and relax.